spectrUM is a hands-on science center that brings science experiences to kids and families in Missoula and across the state.
They get so excited and they're so just like insatiably curious all the time about everything, which is at the core of what we do.
In March 2020, the world changed, and so we really changed how we were engaging kids with science. We got to work making science kits that we delivered in our locations in Missoula and in the Bitterroot Valley and on the Flathead Reservation, so that kids could still have that hands-on science experience when they couldn't come to our museum.
We're moving into the library, just so exciting.
We're preparing for our reopening.
We're gonna be free, and we've got some really fun new exhibits that we're excited to share. Lots of good things ahead.
So your support makes all the difference, and when our community comes together to support the Science for All Scholarship Fund, spectrUM is able to continue to bring hands-on science programming to kids in our community and across the state of Montana. We're excited to re-engage with the public in a safe and exciting way.